Here's how to turn your 30 frames per second clips to smooth 60 frames per second by simply using CapCut Desktop. If you don't have it yet, go to CapCut.com and download it on your PC or Mac. Then click Import and add your video to the timeline. For this example, I'm going to use this video shot with my AVATA 2 in Iceland in native 30 frames per second. As you can see, the video is kinda choppy and not ideal for 60 frames per second projects. If your project is in 30 frames per second, that's okay. But if you are exporting in 60 frames per second, any video that's below 60 will appear choppy and laggy. To fix this and make it extra smooth, like the rest of your 60 frames per second videos, head over to the Speed tab and slow down the clip by 50%. Then down below you'll see this smooth slow motion option, and you want to have this turned on. Lastly, choose optical flow and let CapCut process your video. Once the processing is done, you can already see a massive difference. The footage is already nice and buttery smooth, but we have another problem now. It's in slow motion. To fix this, we are simply going to export the current clip using the highest possible settings to retain maximum video quality by heading over to Export, naming your project, and choosing 4K. All my other settings are already pre-selected, so I'm going to leave everything as it is and hit the Export button. Now this is going to take a few seconds to export, and once that's done, we're going to import the new clip to our new project. Of course, the video, it's still in slow motion, so we are going to head over to the Speed tab again, and this time we'll increase the speed by 200%, and boom, your 30 frames per second choppy and laggy video clip is now perfectly smooth 60 frames per second video. Lastly, we are going to head over to the export settings again, then name your final video and export in 4K by choosing the highest possible settings again. Then we're going to hit export, and here's the final result of your 60 frames per second perfectly smooth video. Now if you want to learn how to easily color grade your videos like a pro, click on this next video. Bye.